Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at a case for the Google Pixel tablet. All right. Now, there's not many cases out there right now, but I'm sure they'll be coming. But this one is one I got from Best Buy. It's a Speck case. It's a Folio case for the Google Pixel tablet. Now you can see the package that it comes in right there. Here's a picture of it right there, what it looks like, made for the Google Pixel tablet. Attaches magnetically for easy on and off. Adjustable viewing stands, slim and lightweight, micro band. There's some picture on the back, a little more. You got a storage for the stylus as well, so I'll be getting the stylus for this as well to see how it works. Protective interior, multi-angle, magnetic enclosure. All right. Now we're gonna check this out to see what it looks like. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. All right. Now the case slides right out of the package right there, so that's nice. And then you got a little card in the middle, I guess just to fill in. So move this to the side right there. Now here's the case. It's got a nice felt inside right here. And this is the magnetic portion that the phone connects to. This is a flap that goes over to keep everything closed. You got your carrier for the pen right there. And you can adjust this if you need to at different angles. I can feel the magnetic piece in the back right there. Now the case feels pretty good. I like the feeling, and you know, I think it's gonna be pretty durable. Got a little Speck symbol right there, but I hope this is not too flimsy when I put it on the device. So let's grab the device and put this in and see what it looks like. Okay. Now this is a Google tablet right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. So it did attach magnetically. All right. So now let's see how strong this magnet is. So it did fall out when I put it that way. So it will come off. So you got to be careful. But it is. So here's the device in the case. You know, you can put it at different angles and watch you know, movies or whatever. And you can close it with this right here. All right, so that folds over. So nice and neat. That's pretty neat. You got your carry space for the pen, so it doesn't move around too much. A little bit of movement, but not too much. Okay. Now this right here is for the camera, so that's supposed to stay back like that, so you can take pictures. That's pretty neat. So pretty well thought out. I like that. I like the way that folds back right there. I remember somebody saying they didn't stay back, but this one does. So that's pretty cool. And take pictures without having to take the case off. But so I'll be using this right now just for protection when I take it with me for portability. But I like it, and I think it's a pretty good case. All right. Nothing else to see there. Like I said, it stands up pretty decent stand up there. And these right here, these feet work well in these little slots here. So it grabs onto that right there. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Speck case, Folio case for the Google Pixel tablet. Pretty decent case. This one costs $39, $39.99, so $40 at Best Buy. You can get it on Amazon too. I think they were out right now on Amazon, but it's a decent case. And they do have another one that I like that I might check out as well. That's an actual case itself, but that one wasn't in stock. All right, but I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. All right. Now, if you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.